In this video, I'll show you how to use the back buttons on the GameSir G7 SE controller. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, make sure your controller is powered on. Now let's start with the back. Unlock the back button switch to activate the buttons. Next, press and hold the M button and the back button you want to program. Hold them together until the controller light starts blinking. Now press the button you want to assign. For example, I'll press the Y button. And that's it. The back button is now mapped to Y. As you can see in the game, when I press the back button, it works just like the Y button. And now if you want to reset it back to default, just do the same steps. Hold M plus the back button again until the light blinks. Then press the back button once more. Now it's back to normal. And that's how to use the back buttons on your GameSir G7 SE controller. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.